Okay, enough of this hat. I can't be having hat hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about Ipsy, April Ipsy, I said that backwards. April's Ipsy glam bags. I have the original glam bag and the Glam Bag Plus that we're gonna open up together here. I am an Ipsy ambassador, which means they do send these to me to share with you guys. But some of these products might be in your bag. So if you have never heard of Ipsy before, it is a monthly subscription service where you can get full size or deluxe sample size beauty products. You got hair care, you got skincare, you got makeup, you got all the goods. And some of them you can actually go and log in and pick the products in your bag. So it's just this fun monthly present. It's kind of like Christmas every single month. Let's start out with the original glam bag, which is $12 a month. And these are typically deluxe size samples. So let's see what they sent. Okay, first thing in here is Dr. Botanical's Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. I don't love the 2-in-1 cleansers and makeup removers. I feel like ultimately they just never remove my makeup as well as a makeup remover, but I've never heard of this brand before, so there's a seal on it. I will hold on to this. This is a good kind of travel size. Next thing in here is by First Aid Beauty. This is their Facial Radiance Pads. These are actually really good. I have a full-size jar of these and it's huge. It's like in this big tub like this. They're really good at exfoliating your skin, so all you do is like after you wash your face at nighttime, you take one of these and you kind of rub it over your face and it kind of helps with exfoliation, cleaning out your pores. And there's 10 in here too. This is a pretty good sample. I mean, that's 10 days worth. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Nomad. This is their, what is this? Highlighter, Kiss of Sun highlighter. I mean, it's so cute. It's in the color, oh, Kiss of Sun. I guess that's the color name. I don't think I have anything by Nomad. Oh, that is pretty. That looks like Becca Moonstone, I believe, which used to be one of my favorites. It's like a white champagne gold. My hands are so dry. Yeah, that is really pretty, you guys. Oh yeah. You see that? Okay, next in my bag is, oh, Lauren Conrad. Really? I knew she was coming out with a makeup line, but I wasn't sure that it was already out. So, okay, LC. I was a huge Laguna Beach fan, and then The Hills, which was like her spinoff, loved that. So I've always been a huge fan of Lauren Conrad. I'm so excited to have this. Wow, I wonder if this was supposed to go in here or the Glam Bag Plus. So this says the lip gloss on it, and I'm not sure. Oh, it's in the color Dawn. It's a really pretty, it looks like it's a really pretty kind of nude. Yeah, perfect color. Ooh, it feels really sticky. Okay, last thing in my glam bag is by the brand You Glow Girl? Is that the brand? I'm not sure. My Skinny Mask Australia. It's their turmeric and vitamin C clay mask. I've never tried anything by this brand before, so I'm not sure, but that's the great thing about bags like this is you get to try out so many new brands. Okay, let's see what's in our Glam Bag Plus. I'm not sure if the Lauren Conrad was supposed to go. Sometimes when I get the PR box, the products are a little bit mixed up, so we'll have to see, but the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month and it typically has full-size products in it. Let's see, the first thing in here is from, ooh, Victoria Beckham. We got lots of celebrity products in here. So Victoria Beckham Smudge-Free Lifting Mascara. I have not tried anything from Victoria Beckham's brand. I know it's quite pricey. Ooh, this is heavy. It's like substantial feeling. Like it feels like this is a quality, expensive product. And it's nice and sleek. It's just a black tube. It looks like Chanel packaging. And let's see what the wand. Oh, it's a skinny wand. I wasn't expecting that for some reason. It looks like roller lash. I actually really like wands like this because you can get like right in that outer corner and then your lower lashes really well. So I'm really excited to try this out actually. Like I'm really excited. And this, interestingly enough, so if you look at the back of your products, there should be what looks like a little jar with a number on it. That tells you how long the product is good for after it's opened, and this says 6 months. Typically mascara is 3 months. Okay, next thing in here is by Item Beauty. We did get one of their products last month. We got the setting spray last month. So this is her Light Sauce. I feel like that is a very strange name. Balancing Gel Moisturizer for Oily and Combo Skin. Well, I don't have oily skin. I have normal to dry skin. Light Sauce. I can't get over that name. That is very, very strange. I like the packaging though. It looks like it's a primer or like a foundation. Ooh, and I like the pump too. I like the look of this product, and the name intrigues me, but I know it won't work well for me. So I will give it to my sister, see if she likes it. Okay, next thing in here is by Thrive Cosmetics. This is Lip Fuller Lip Liner, Semi-Permanent Micro Pigment Technology. I have a couple of things from Thrive. I have their mascara and an eyeliner. The eyeliner, meh. Mascara is really good. I'm excited to try this. It's in the color Smile Like You Mean It. It looks like it's gonna be a pretty mauve. Looks like it's similar to maybe Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. This is definitely full size. Ooh, ooh, yeah, it looks a lot like Pillow Talk. Super pretty though. It has like a little bit of purple undertones to it. I like that. If you are unfamiliar, Thrive Cosmetics will actually donate, I think it's every item you purchase, they donate one to like women in need, so women in the hospital, things like that. Okay, 2 more products in here, and they both look to be full size, so I don't know if the Lauren Conrad is supposed to be in which bag. So the next thing in here is a shampoo bar by, what brand is this? Soapbox. So last month they sent us, I think it was a body bar. It smelled so good. So a shampoo bar is very, very interesting. Lush has something like this, and I've always been really intrigued to try it. The idea is interesting to me because, you know, like when you travel, you only bring a carry-on, your products have to be under 3 ounces or 3.3 ounces if it's a liquid. So something like this is a way to get around that. Okay, last thing in my box is a palette by the brand Belle and Argent. We got a palette from them last month too, so it was like a purple, really pretty palette. This one looks like it's also a palette in the color Nude. Yeah, Nude Intuitive Vision, it says. So it looks like it's the same exact, but maybe different colors. Aw, one of mine is broken. Bummer, one of my shadows is broken. Let me just try to push it in. But these colors are super pretty. They kind of have a more neutral, maybe leaning cool undertone. I like the one I had to push in. Those are the kinds of colors that I stinking love for all over my lid. I think they're so pretty. This is a really pretty palette. You got 4 mattes and 4 kind of shimmery colors. I'm gonna swatch this one too because it's calling my name. Oh yeah, these are nice and creamy. Okay guys, well that is what was in my original Ipsy bag and my Glam Bag. What am I saying? Ipsy Glam Bag, yes, and then Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ooh, that is a mouthful. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you like any of these products, make sure you keep an eye on your April bag because they might be in your bag, or you might be able to select them to be in your bag. I'm really excited about a lot of these products. I mean, the lip liner, I know I will use. The mascara by Victoria Beckham, I know I will use. I'm pretty excited about it. The palette is beautiful. I can't wait to try it out. The Lauren Conrad, I'm like really excited for. So yeah, this was a really, really good month. Thank you, Ipsy, for all the great products. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.